were gifted this gorgeous umbrella from Greesum, and we're going to set it up and show you how it looks in our yard. So it does come in a few pieces in a long, slender box. It took about 25 minutes to get this all set up, and it was pretty easy. You just want to follow the instructions. It comes with all of the tools that you're going to need to put this together. So while my hubby is putting this together, I want to talk about some of the cool features. This is 10 feet and it's 360-degree rotating. So it's actually very large and provides a lot of shade for your yard. And you're going to love how the pedal makes it super easy to rotate the umbrella around. One thing to note, so it does not come with the weights that are going to hold down the legs. And that's really important because this isn't just an umbrella that goes straight up. It actually is going to hang over your space, and so it's actually quite top heavy. We ended up using sandbags, but there are several different options for this if you want to look that up. And we ended up loving the way it looked in our space. It has 4 different heights. We have it on the lowest at the moment, and we really like this intimate seating area that it created in our backyard. It's super shady and cool. And with this lower height over the couch, it just kind of feels like we created a little room outside, and we absolutely love it.